All right, so today we have a lab here. We have a troubleshooting lab. We're having issues with the end devices, the PCs, being able to establish connectivity with each other. So we're going to go through some troubleshooting steps and figure out what's going on here. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to want to let's confirm the issue. So we're going to jump over to PC4 over here in VLAN 30. And I'm just going to go ahead and ping, let's send a ping request out to, let's just send it out to our default gateway here. So 192.168.10.1. Okay, so that's essentially our door out of our network to outside network. So we do have continuity to our router here, which is good. Let's see if we can ping another device within, let's see here, within our subnet here. Ping 192.168.20.10. Okay, well, it helps if I put in the right IP address. Let's try that again. Let's do 101. Okay, so we can ping the other PC and the other VLAN. So we're good there. Okay, we're good within our own subnet here. So now let's see if we can ping to another VLAN outside our subnet. We'll go over here to VLAN 40. And let's see if we can ping that guy there. So let's do ping 192.168.40.101. Okay, so we pinged that guy. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can ping VLAN 60. So ping 192.168. Let's do 60.100. Okay, so as we can see here, the destination is not reachable. So it failed. So we're able to ping the devices in the other VLANs. In VLAN 40, let's see here. I'll just go ahead and ping VLAN 50 just to write it off. 192.168.50.100. Okay, so we can ping that VLAN. So we can ping 40, 50. It looks like we can ping 20. We cannot ping 60. Let's go ahead and ping. Go ahead and ping VLAN 10. Okay, so everything's good, it looks like, except for 60. So let's go ahead and try a ping to, we can ping our default gateway. So let's go ahead and ping the G01 interface on the router here. So let's go ahead and ping 10.0.2.1. So we're pinging right here. So we're going through our default gateway, crossing the interface, and we're pinging the router on this interface. Okay, so it's timed out. So we are not able to establish communication there. Let's do this real quick. Let's just ping 10.0.0.2, which we're pinging this layer 3 switch here. It works, but we're not able to ping here. So let's go here. Let's move over to this switch here. And let's do a ping test real quick. Okay, so we're pinging from this layer 3 switch down to layer switch 1. Okay, so we can ping to this guy, but we are not able to ping. So from switch 0 to switch 1 we can ping, but from switch 2 to switch 1 we cannot. Let's try pinging out of switch 1 here. Ping. Let's go ahead and ping. We'll go ahead and ping the G02 interface here on the switch 0 here. So ping 10.0.1.1. Okay, so we can ping this way. Let's now try to ping this way. see, we'll try to ping west here, 10.0.2.2. Okay, so we're able to ping this switch, but this switch is not able to ping that switch. Let me verify that, because that was odd. So I can ping the switch, but I cannot ping the PC. So PC 192.168.60.100. Okay, so there's something going on the switch here. You can see we're not able to access this. We can get to the switch, but we're not able to access the VLAN, it looks like. So let's go in here. Let's go into switch 1, and let's do a do show IP route. Okay, so it looks like we only have connected locally or connected links here. We don't have any routes to any routers out to these layer 3 switches. So let's do this. Let me go over here and check this guy real quick. Switch to. Okay, so see here, switch 2 in the routing table has connected links as well as OSPF, open shortest path first. It looks like we're able to hit VLAN 40 and 50, which is over here on switch 0, but we're not able to hit 60. So that could be the reason right there. So let's go over here. We did check this guy. This guy's got no route. So that tells me that's the exact issue right there. Let's, we have nowhere, yeah. So this guy here doesn't know how to get to switch 0 or switch 2. So for switch 1, let's go ahead and do a, we're going to get into the OSPF configurations. So we're going to enable dynamic routing now. So let's go over to router OSPF. Router OSPF 1, and then we're going to add the network. So let's go ahead and add this guy here first. Let's do 10.0.2.0.0.0.7 area 0. Okay. And let's do the same thing over here as well. So router OSPF 1 net. We're going to do 10.0.2.0 0.0.0.7 wildcard mask area 0. And let's see what happens when we do that. Wait a minute for that to establish OSPF neighborship. Interesting. There we go. Wow, that took a while. Okay. So as you can see here now, we have adjacency. OSPF adjacency has been exchanged, so that's good. We are in the full state. So we went from loading to full, which is good. Okay, so that tells me that we are now communicating. They have the two switches have now created neighborship. So let's do a do show IP route. So let's switch 1 here. We now have, as you can see, before we didn't have any OSPF routes, dynamic routes. We only had connected routes. So we have a route now to 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Let's check this guy now. Do show IP route. This is going to let us see the routing table. So we can see here we now have dynamic routes 40, 50, and 60. So VLANs 40, 50, and 60. So that would be these three here. So that should be good. So now let's see if we can ping now between PC4 and VLAN 30 to PC10 and VLAN 60. So essentially, our security department is going to be able to establish communication with our management department via the network. So let's see here, 192.168.60.100. And it should now work. All right, so we now have connectivity. It is no longer in the host unreachable or destination unreachable. We are now have full connectivity, and we're able to access PC10 from PC4. Let's verify PC4 can or PC10 can now ping, let's say VLAN 50, ping 192.168.50.100. And as you can see, that was successful as well. And for an ICMP echo request to work correctly, it has to be two-way. So not only does it have to get to PC4, it has to also get back. So let's go ahead and just for fun, we'll go ahead and do a ping test to ping 192.168.30.10, or excuse me, 101, even though we know it works. Oops. Let's type in the right address. There we go. All right, so we fixed this lab. That wasn't too bad. We did a little bit of OSPF configurations. We did some connectivity tests between VLANs and some ICMP echo requests between PCs and devices. I hope that was informative, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.